Hi from SBS, Solibis Dax Muellers. Casey here.
And Cupcake is here.
Basta kay, nga naman nagsakit akong tiil aning kanta
Nga no mangut na oy.
Marag patulugon ko ani.
I've been living where the shadows overhead. I've been sleeping with a cloud above my bed. I've been lonely for so long, trapped in the past that just can't seem to move on.
I've been hiding all my hopes and dreams away, just in case I ever need him again someday. I've been setting aside time to clear a little space in the corners of my mind. All I wanna do is find a way back into love. I can make it through without a way back into love.
I've been watching but the stars refuse to shine. I've been searching but I just can't see the sign. I know that it's not there. There's gotta be something for my soul somewhere.
I've been looking for someone to shed some light, not somebody just to get me through the night. I could use some direction, and I'm open to your suggestions. All I wanna do is find a way back into love. I can make it through without a way back into love. And if I open my heart again, I guess I'm hoping you'll be there for me in the end.
Nah, jangan sana. Sama ni, mana ni? Nah, ini mana? Diba, nani kuan ng sunti-sunti na mana?
There are moments when I don't know if it's real or if anybody feels the way I feel. I need inspiration, not just another negotiation.
All I wanna do is find a way back into love. I can make it through without a way back into love. And if I open my heart to you, I'm hoping you'll show me what to do. And if you help me to start again,
You know that
know that I'll be there for me in the end. You know that I'll be there for me in the Warada, warada,
Nah, mag-unsa pantahan na ni. Naunsa naman yung kanta. Oy, pasaylo ako. Oy, pasaylo ang mga kalagoy. SBS! Thank you so much.
Pasalawayon sa SBS.
Kadugay ani mahuman.